YouTube? What is going down? Of course, it's your boy Mac Mittens here. Got another, ooh, nice light, sir. I appreciate that. Got some parts to install on this bad boy. As I said before, I was going to be installing more parts onto T'Challa, and we have that right here. We got the carbon fiber front wheel fender. That looks oh so beautiful. Shout out to Santos for getting this over to me, man. Absolutely loving that. And we also have an anti-gravity lithium-ion battery. Guys, I am not lying. I'm gonna try to get a scale too. This thing is crazy. Like, look at this. Crazy light. Crazy light. I weighed my bike at EJR's when I went up there over the summertime. Try to get that on the screen to see how much it weighs. We got my bike on the scales and it reads, oops, 420 pounds. Obviously I don't have a scale to weigh the bike after we put the battery in, but I will be able to show you guys the differences in the weight of the battery between the stock one and this anti-gravity, which should be a significant amount of weight reduction. Just for the fun of it, we'll probably weigh the fender too, see how much the carbon weighs versus the stock as well too. Also too, guys, yep, we're gearing this bad boy. Got a rear sprocket that I want to throw on. I might not throw this on today. I might want to throw this on before the meet that we have, just to do some testing so I can get some actual figures as to what the bike will actually do. But yeah, we're gonna get some drag times. This is a 40 tooth sprocket in the rear. The factory comes 41 in the rear. Kawasaki actually went up from the Gen 5. Gen 5 was always a 39 and a 17 in front, and for the 2021 they went from 17 to 41 in the back. So for some more top end, we're gonna see how this 40 tooth sprocket does for me, and we'll definitely keep you updated with the times that it possesses. But let's go ahead and get this battery in here, man. I'm really excited to see the weight savings between this and the factory battery. So let's get it going, y'all. Rear hugger tire, front tire hugger first. Front fender about to come off first. I can't wait to see how this looks, man. Woo! Oh, okay.
The faster you go, you it's called work hardening. So you harden.
Yeah, these rivets are a little bit of a pain, but we got to remove this bracket and put that onto the carbon fiber one to get that switched out, like so. So you got both of them off. How does it feel, bro?
I mean, I'm a really strong dude, so it's hard. This is
yeah.
Huge difference.
In my estimation, it's not a humongous difference in weight savings, but you can clearly feel the difference between the carbon and the factory one for sure. So I probably shaved 10, 15 ounces, something like that.
I don't know, man. Now that I'm kind of holding it a little bit.
Yeah, it might be 3 pounds to 1, something like that.
I don't know. I'll put it on a scale and we'll check it out at my job. I'll get you some numbers.
For sure, man. But it's gonna be a big difference. I can't wait to put this on. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. All right, we got these. Got this fender on. Oh my goodness, does this thing look excellent? I am loving it, guys. You guys already know I'm gonna take this outside in a few minutes and get some clear pictures for you guys. But oh my gosh, this carbon makes a humongous difference. I absolutely love it. Match it in with the tank pads and the frame covers, the tank bearings, I should say. But oh my god, this thing looks excellent. But yeah, we're gonna move on to the battery, get this battery swapped out, see how much voltage it cranks up, and see how light it is too, man. I don't have a scale on hand right now, but I'm going to try my absolute best to get you guys some figures to see how much weight savings the battery actually brings. So stay tuned for this one. Let me get this going right now. Now the differences between this is freaking night and day. This is where the true weight savings is going to come into play. Ooh, focus up a little bit. This is where the true weight savings is going to come into play, because there is a humongous difference between this and this. Just looking at it on camera, how easy it is to just flip over. I want to say this is at least a 4 to 6 pound difference. But again, guys, I'm gonna try my hardest to get a scale and give these these figures to you guys, but this is where T'Challa will definitely be saving some weight. And this is, you know, all part of the journey of me doing weight savings on this bike. I'm definitely going to try my hardest to get some rims coming up soon for this bike, because that's like probably one of the biggest weight savings that you could do to a bike. Is changing out those rims for lightweight ones. So we're gonna get that going, but let's get this battery installed, man. I can't wait. Got that lithium thing up in that thing. Yeah, man. I'm glad my bike tells me how much voltage the battery is given. So as soon as we finish, we're gonna turn the bike on and see what we got. All right, got the T'Challa outside. Put that fender on. Oh man, this thing looks so good. I'm absolutely loving the carbon life. Living the carbon life. I still gotta get some screws for the back of it. I gotta get some at Larry's job, but overall it's still installed and it looks absolutely excellent. Whew, loving it. So let's test out this battery. And let's see if it sounds any different, if the bike cranks any better. See what that anti-gravity life is about. Starts up great. It's at 14.2, so this thing is running really well. Shout out to Santos again for hooking me up with these parts. Definitely appreciate it. Go ahead and let T'Challa warm up for a little bit. Haven't turned it on a little bit, but yeah, man. As I said before, I'm just still trying to work on a little bit of the cosmetics for T'Challa. I'm gonna hold off on performance parts just for right now, but we will get back into the performance parts. That's for damn sure, including some wheels. But yeah, guys. I'm also going to hold off on changing the sprocket for right now too, because I may do that at the next big meet so I can get some accurate times and compare to see what I want to leave on there. Although I think I want to leave for around town, I think I want to leave it with the stock gearing, and then for the SmackDown trips I may change the gearing, but we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next episode. People, ride safe and peace out.